to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious agua fresca. It's a creamy cantaloupe carrot agua fresca that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy, especially in this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Ingredients: granulated sugar, 1 evaporated milk, 1 condensed milk, carrots, cantaloupe, water, and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious and refreshing agua fresca. So let's get started. I want to start first making my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of water, and let's go to the stove. Let's start dissolving the sugar. It takes a couple minutes when the water starts getting cloudy just like this, and then it gets nice and see-through. You could see through the water, and this is completely done. Let me go ahead, take it off the heat, and just let it cool down so when we need it. Now here I have my carrots, and I'm gonna start cutting the edges of the carrot, and I'm going to peel and take the skin completely off. You want to make sure that you get all the skin off completely. Once this is completely done, well then let's go to the sink and let's rinse them very good through running water. It really doesn't take too long, but this is a very important step. You need to rinse them very well. Now that they're nice and rinsed, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut them in half because I'm going to add them to my NutriBullet blender. Before I do that, I want to continue with my cantaloupe, and I'm only using half of the cantaloupe. I'm going to go ahead and take all the seeds completely off. You want to make sure that you get all the seeds from the edges of the cantaloupe. Once this is done, we're going to start and just get the skin completely off of the cantaloupe. But before I do that, I'm going to reserve a little piece for my pitcher. And now I'm ready to take all the skin completely off. This is completely done, and I'm just going to cut it and cube it in small pieces so I could add it to my blender cup. I'm going to do this in 2 portions because you know the cup is not too large. I'm going to add some water, and now I am ready to blend away. And it really doesn't take too long. Once it's nice and blended, I'm going to put it through a sifter, and I'm going to get all those delicious juices of the cantaloupe. This is the part that really takes a longer time because you want to make sure that you get all the pulp out and you only leave behind the juice of the cantaloupe. I'm going to continue blending the rest of the cantaloupe. This is exactly what you don't want. And this is my 2nd cup of cantaloupe, and I'm doing the same thing. Let me show you how this looks. This is all the juice of half a cantaloupe. Look at this. Okay, now I'm ready to continue with the carrots, and the carrots I'm going to add all of them in here, and I'm just going to blend away for at least 2 minutes. Okay, now that this is completely done, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and put it through the blender, making sure that none of the pulp goes into the agua fresca. This step is important because if you leave the pulp behind, it's gonna turn the water too thick, and you're gonna be feeling the little pieces of the carrots when you're drinking this delicious agua fresca. So the best thing to do is just to put it through the sifter and get all the pulp completely out, but yet keep all the delicious juice. And this is exactly what you don't want. Just take your time putting it through a sifter. Once this is completely done, all the juices are in here. The color looks amazing. It's a bright orange. And you know something? I am ready to start adding the milks. Of course, I'm going to add 1 evaporated milk, and I'm going to start with that one. 1 evaporated milk, 1 condensed milk, the whole can. Remember that the sugar is to taste. With this mixture, I'm making 1.5 liters of water, agua fresca. Okay, and I'm just gonna mix it away to see if I need to add a little bit of the simple syrup. Usually 1 splash of simple syrup makes the trick. Okay, to this I'm gonna add just a little bit of the simple syrup. I'm not adding all the simple syrup. And now I'm just gonna mix it completely, and let's see how this tastes. This is perfect. Now I have my pitcher here, and I'm going to go ahead and add all the ice. Remember, the more ice your pitcher has, the more delicious and refreshing your agua fresca will be. Look at this. The color is amazing. And remember, if you have problems having your kids eating the carrots, well, this is a perfect way to give the kids their vitamins. Okay, this is completely done. With this delicious agua fresca, creamy, refreshing cantaloupe carrot agua fresca. I know you guys need to try it. Enjoy it in this hot weather because it really comes out delicious and amazing. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this agua fresca came out. You know something? The combination of the cantaloupe and the carrot, perfection. You know something? When you make this delicious agua fresca, you're going to remember me. You're going to say, Cooking with Gloria really knows what she's talking about when she makes her delicious agua frescas. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. Make it at home. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoy with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay refreshing myself with this creamy and delicious cantaloupe carrot agua fresca. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.